hayi mna uVuyokazi bengimthanda ngoba bese sidudla. Hayi mina lo Vuyokazi lo angisamfuni. Yo sana uyaphela. Yo Kani siphathe kahle man, ntweni nizithetha kwi-comments. And futhi anenzeni anenzela mna.
Hello, welcome. I'm Simi Sotashe, your chomi that is always ready to serve the tea hot on a daily honey. Today we are unpacking something personal, powerful even, Vuyokazi Nciweni. For those that don't know her, but I doubt you would click on the video if you don't know her, but she's a reality star from Izingane's Tembu. A couple of months ago, she opened up about her weight loss journey, and she had a message now for her followers that really deserve our attention. First off, let's establish what we know. In early 2025, I think it was around June, if I'm not mistaken, Vuyokazi traveled to Turkey and underwent gastric sleeve surgery. That is a procedure that removes a large portion of the stomach to aid weight loss by curbing hunger and cravings. I don't know how it happens. But anyway, Vuyokazi explained that she's tried everything, healthy eating, diets, but really struggled with it, discipline, and most of us can relate. Her body felt heavy, her legs would swell. The surgery for her wasn't just about vanity and about looking good like those Instagram girls, but she says that she did it for her kids because she wants to live longer and healthier for her kids. Kaloku tata, nowhere to be found. Mr. Mbumelelo, kulona that cannot co-parent with someone that is with another person. Anyway, fast forward to now, August 2025, Vuyokazi heads back to Turkey, this time in Izmir. I think it's Izmir, for what appears to be another round of procedures, a mummy makeover. Now, a mummy makeover now involves a tummy tuck, a liposuction, breast lift, and more. Now, the public response has been very intense, with fans both praising her bravery and others fixating on her physical appearance. That's where things get sticky because, yes, social media comment sections often lean into body shaming or comparing a person's before and after. Vuyokazi has evidently had enough of these comments. She's been clear, stop commenting on her weight loss. Sanoba Snacks, stop saying you prefer the old her. This message with Tunana, ningaitate as if she's being disrespectful, okanye, I don't know. This message is about irrespect. It's about her journey. It's about her wellness and decisions. It's not about rejecting her body positivity. It's about evolving on your own terms. There's strength in both the before and the after. She's still the same person, but with new standards, with new priorities, with renewed purpose as well. So, Nam ditetelela yena shem, please have empathy. It's okay to notice a change I'm doing it, but let's not reduce someone to their appearance. Also, Vuyokazi's surgeries, I understand that they were public, and so people will comment, but also as much as they were public, they were deeply personal. Whether someone's journey is about wellness, self-love, or healing, the evolution is what matters. Let's support and not judge. So cheers to Vuyokazi Nciweni for being brave enough to take control of her health, honest enough to share her emotions, and strong enough to set boundaries with her followers. This is more than a surgery journey. It's a story about self-love, about motherhood, and choosing your own path. Let's learn to uplift each other and not undermine, especially as ladies. That is my 2 cents. Kesana, before you click off this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Guys, we are on 109 subscribers. We are moving a bit slow, but we are moving. That's the most important part. Thank you for those that are my day ones, my 100 subscribers. I appreciate you. And as you click, please take a moment to subscribe for more content like this. like the video so that it is recommended to other people. Hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any videos that I put out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.